This is a video of me being hit by a drunk driver who ran a stop sign on a fast road. The speed limit is 50 miles an hour. And cars always do a pause stop, but they normally stop. This one did a pause and just kept going. From the video you can see I'm holding my sternum, my chest. I forward the video until I can actually turn on the light in the cabin so you can see. This was this driver's third DUI, and when we went to court, the prosecutor wanted to give him a diversion type program. I'm still holding my chest because it really, really hurt. It was a lot of pain. The pain was excruciating. As time went on, I realized it was not the airbag, but actually the seatbelt, because the pain went right along my chest as if there was a seatbelt still on me. Weeks later, it would take me 20 minutes to get out of bed in the morning after the accident because my chest bone was bruised, as I mentioned earlier. Yes, it really, really hurt. I'm still looking for stuff, and then eventually I picked up my phone, and then I exited the vehicle still holding my chest.